na ya abasobode na Samartex general manager Samartex omo na age Ghana Premier League 2023-2024 ntina obo abaso like obo bia abaso na okobo coach Prosper Ogum Kotoko coach ntina ya amanfo won kakra na o chemu say Samartex team na omo bo Ghana Premier League or Major League no with 2 games to go no omo ye recruitment no coach Prosper na ye recruitment momo because no mafa no kra o mafa na wi but na omunyanye announcement say o mafa no enti o share pre-season ase with Samartex enka on na ebe coach Samartex and sana Samartex finally omo call lande on Nuruddin Amadu no na ye coach Prosper Ogum and o ma settle on him ono na to players no behind the scenes until last minute na Kumasi Asante Kotoko call ne by otumfo say sanity dia Ogum ensamra Kotoko no na ujai Samartex na obeye Kotoko adwuma nti ene in a radio interview takes no ni insure FM for na edi nkomo na obiebie sa keys ni biebie revelations we nyina say obo coach Prosper Ogum abaso pa because ene Samartex ekura team bi say coach Ogum adama ena ene omonzo Major League na nya ono nko about ono nso oka ho because recruitment no na year for the season emom well we say na Ogum recruitment abaye no Kotoko no nso e call say eno the senior citizens me fan judge no because dynamics no different but all in all yensambo Samartex 1996 for abaso Ogum akobo adwuma o ba Kotoko no me sure say next season there recruitment is no woni amanfo na ebeye and we are hoping say Kotoko benya best recruitment then Kotoko will have a great season.